Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Hindustani in Japan. Today I will be sharing my experience of using Times Car Share from Narita Airport to Kawasaki. Details that I will be sharing today is based on my experience of using it in the March month, and it may keep on changing. For getting the latest details, price and everything, please refer to the Times Car website. This video is for the members who have Japanese driving license and they have registered as a member in the Times Car. And let's start how to book the car. To book the reservation, we need to click on this link and then select the station name. Then enter Narita Airport, that is Narita Kuko. Then click on this link and make sure that Times Car is written here. Then click on the button Yoyaku. Please verify that the correct station name is being selected. Then we have two options. One is the basic car, which is a small car, that is a 5-seater car which is available, and the second option is a premium car. Premium car is a big size car, that is 7 or 8-seater car. If you are traveling alone, basic car is sufficient. If you are traveling with the multiple members and you have a lot of luggage, so please go for the premium car. So let's select the basic type. In case you want to choose a specific car, you can click on this and select the which car you want to use. Otherwise you can just leave it and let them decide which car is available at that schedule, and they will allocate it. And then the another option is optional option, that is the car seat. If your child is also traveling with you, you can book a child seat which is 1100 yen per seat, and you can book maximum 2 child seat. And if you are traveling in the winter season and snowfall is expected there, so please use the studless tire, which will cost you 2200 yen. So I don't choose this option, skip this one. This is the most important option, that is the airport drop off use. If you click on this use, this will allow you to select the drop off destination, and then we can select the prefecture. So there are 3 prefectures which is currently available: Chiba Prefecture, Tokyo and Kanagawa Prefecture. If we select a Kanagawa Prefecture, they will tell us how many drop off locations are available. So all these are near to the stations. So in case we select one in front of the Kawasaki station, so it tells us what is that return timing, and also in addition to the normal usage, they will also tell how much is the cost of one side drop off charge. So one side drop off fee is 3300 yen for basic class and 4400 yen for the premium class. So just click on this and just verify that the correct station name is also selected here. Once we have verified that the correct station is selected, now we can select the plan if it is available. Generally there is a night pack available which is not applicable in our case, but if it is applicable in your case, so you can select a pack. And then we have to select when we need that. Let's suppose we have to book it on 25th and the time is 12:30. So we can book it for 6 hours. So we will be charged for 6 hours pack. And if you have a ticket, you can reuse that ticket, and this amount will be deducted from your overall charge. Next will be to join this. This is a security compensation in case something happens, accident or some other issues with the car. So by paying this, you will be secure, and very minimum amount you have to pay. If there is any person who is a registered member of the Times Car is accompanying you, so you can also add his or her IC card number, and then that person can drive that car. If any person who is not a registered member and you have not added his or her IC card number, please do not allow any other person to drive the car, because the compensation service will not be applicable and you have to pay a lot of amount in case of any accident occur. And the last step will be to click here, and this reservation is not yet complete. It will show you the details of what you have booked and some important information. And after verifying all the details, the booking timing, the subscription to the security compensation, 6 hours pack and total cost, so considering that the 3300 yen for the Drop off location charge is 330 yen for the subscription and 4290 yen for the basic car charges for 6 hours. So total cost is 7920 yen. And if I click on this, so the reservation will be completed. So the reservation is completed now, and I can go and check that this is my reservation details. If I click here, it will show all the list of bookings that I have, and I can verify this booking that I have just done, that is 12:30 to 6:30 and 25th of March. And in case there is a change in my mind that I need to change the time, there is a possibility that my flight will be delayed, so I can click on this option. This is an option to change the time or any other booking options. So here if I go, I can change the timing, change it by 1 hour, or if I need to add a studless tire, I can add it. If I need to change the drop-off location, let's change the drop-off location here. Station, first select the Kanagawa Prefecture and then Shin Yokohama Station and click OK. And then if I click this, it will update my booking. So I just click on this button to register. So it again says that it is not yet complete. Just verify all the details again and then only click here to reconfirm. Now my reservation is complete. Changes have been done. You can verify that it is changed to 13:30. And if I go again, so I can verify that my changes have been done. In case there is a change in the plan, my flight got cancelled, or any other reason that I don't want to use this car, so I can just click here to cancel the car. It is not cancelled in one step, you have to do it verification again, and this will cancel your car. In every airport there is a corner where all the rental car services are available, and if you go to the Times Car Service Center, and there will be a phone available. If you just pick up that phone, it will auto connect you to the service center, and they will send you a shuttle car, and that can take you to the Times car parking. And there is a fixed timing for the shuttle car service to be available. It is between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you come outside this timing, please book a taxi to go to the Times car parking. It takes around 10 minutes for the shared car to come to the airport. So let's go to the place where we can use the shared car and go to the Times car parking and wait for the car to come. If you have watched this video till now, so please like and share this video to friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel Hindustani in Japan. So here comes the shuttle car service. You have to put your luggage inside the car. The luggage space is big. So this is a big car and a lot of luggage space is there. So don't worry about if you are carrying around 4 to 8 big check-in bags. So it can accommodate that. But it is a self-service, so do it yourself. And they will also sanitize your hand before you enter into the car. Seat belt is mandatory in Japan, so please fasten your seat belt once you enter into the car. So it is for your safety only. All the precautions to prevent the COVID-19 has been taken. You can see the shield is installed, and even the alternate seating arrangement has been done. And car seats are also available if you are accompanied by kids. This is the Times car parking, and it takes around 10 minutes to reach here from Narita Airport, Terminal 2. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is the car which I booked for my travel today. Touch the Times car card and we can open the car now. Please make an inspection of the car and make a video if possible to check that there is no initial damage to the car. Let's take out the car keys and we can start the car now. Ready? Start.
Starting route to Cult Kawasaki.
Once we reach at the Times Car drop-off location, so there will be a car parking place. There will be an automated gate. If you just click on this green button, which you can see, a ticket will come out, and this ticket you have to keep it at a safe place. Times Car parking is available on 9th and 10th floor. Parking slip that we got on the first floor needs to be given to the Times Car person and he will keep it. Then touch the Times Car card on the machine to lock the car. Done? Okay. Final charges for using the Times Car from Narita Airport Terminal 2 to Kawasaki Station is 7920 yen. If you have watched this video till now, so please like and share this video to friends and family. If you want to see more informative videos on Times Car or other Japan related information, so please subscribe to my channel Hindustani in Japan.